Good morning students. In this video we will discuss about what is a fair trial. Fair trial is an important for democracy. In democracy, every citizen is given the full opportunity to defend himself against any charge leveled against him. Without this, all the fundamental rights given to a citizen would be of no use, and the true spirit of democracy would be lost in the wilderness. Fair trial involves all the persons mentioned above, like police, public prosecutor, defense lawyer, and the judge. India's judicial system provides full scope for a fair trial. In Indian judicial system, there is full scope for a fair trial. The prosecution has to prove beyond reasonable doubts that the accused person is guilty. Prosecution means a person or group of people who try to show that somebody is guilty of a crime in the court of law. The whole judicial system hinges on the premise that no innocent person should be punished. In our judicial system, it is provision that no innocent person should be punished unless he is proved guilty by the court. And our judiciary system is independent. We have an independent judiciary. It means that our judicial system is not under the influence of any powerful person. First of all, we have an independent judiciary, and various provisions of the Constitution provide for an independent judiciary. There are many provisions in Indian Constitution which provide us for an independent judiciary. Article 21 of the Constitution, the Criminal Procedure Code and Civil Procedure Code provide full scope for a fair and judicious trial. Let us recollect the story of Sohan Singh and Ramesh Sharma. When we discuss the story, we discuss that there is quarrel between Sohan Singh and Mr. Sharma. Then Sohan Singh was proved accused and he is presented before the court. What if the court did not give a copy of charge sheet to Sohan Singh? What will happen if the court did not give a copy of charge sheet to Sohan Singh? What happened if court did not appoint a lawyer to defend the accused Sohan Singh? In the story, we discussed that court appointed a lawyer to defend the Sohan Singh. And what will happen if court did not appoint a lawyer to defend the accused Sohan Singh? And what if the trial was not held in any open court? And Sohan Singh and Ramesh Sharma trial was held in an open court. What will happen if the trial was not held in open court? If all this had happened, then it would be a case of an unfair trial. But in the story, we discussed that all things happened, so it is the case of fair trial. Because Sohan Singh was given a copy of charge sheet by the court. A copy of charge sheet was given to Sohan Singh by the court, and details of evidences and statements of witnesses. And these were presented by the prosecution in the court against Sohan Singh. He was provided with a defense lawyer. In the story, we discussed that Sohan Singh was provided with a defense lawyer on the government expenses to defend his case. The trial was held in an open court in full public view, and their trial was held in an open court in the presence of accused Sohan Singh and the victim, Mr. Sharma. Sohan Singh lawyer Raman Pandey was given an opportunity to cross-examine the prosecution witnesses, and Sohan Singh lawyer Raman Pandey also asked questions to the prosecution witnesses, and the defense lawyer also presented defense witnesses. Defense lawyer also presented defense witnesses whose testimony was false. Testimony means are declarations supporting evidences. The public prosecutor proved beyond reasonable doubt that the accused was guilty. The defense failed to prove the innocence of the accused, and the defense lawyer was failed to prove the innocence of the accused. The judge did not jump to the conclusion that the accused was guilty. He decided the matter on the basis of the evidences before the court. The judge examined all the evidences which were presented in the court, like blood-stained shirt of the victim, the prosecution witnesses, and which proved the guilt of the accused. He was given punishment. The judge gave the guilty person Sohan Singh a punishment of 1 year imprisonment and imposed fine. The justice was finally done to Mr. Sharma because he was given a fair trial. So in this case, there was a fair trial. The rule of law, which means equality before the law. Rule of law means equality before the law without any discrimination on the ground of class, caste, religion, gender. Therefore, the Constitution and the Criminal and Civil Procedure Code lay down provision for a fair trial. In our Constitution, Criminal and Civil Procedure Code, there is laid down for a